You ready for this? Yeah, we're going to head up now, up there, so be fine. Sorry?
This is the ultimate.
This is it, yeah. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, honestly. All good. Alright. Right. Well, hi guys. We're late afternoon on day 4 and we're about to head up what's known as the ultimate challenge at Canaria Motorcycle Tours. It's quite probably the most difficult bit of riding on the island. And the trick is not stopping on this really steep bit. Got Carol in front of me. In front of her is Andy. Andy's a new guy today, so he's doing this for the first time on his first ride today. She's quite impressive. Andy's a fireman from down south. He's come here for a day ride. Well, I think he's actually coming back on Friday. Well, this is so steep. Can you see it? I don't know if the GoPro gives away. Hopefully the camera on Carol's bike should give some perspective of how steep this is. Woohoo! And it's rough as hell. As Carol's bike is geared a bit higher than mine, so she's probably having to slip the clutch a bit going up here. Not yet, she says. Clutch is still out. Well, the guys are all up behind me. Yeah, Phil's doing well. Ooh wee, God, it's rough. Yeah, Andy's got, he's well into it, isn't he? He's a good rider. Look at that. Oh man, this really is an experience and a half. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody that's just passed the test. I think you want to get a bit of experience before you try this one. And obviously there are way easier roads if you do come to Canaria Motorcycle Tours. Just is really so steep. I mean, can you see the road down there below me? I don't know if you can. Don't know whether the camera picks it up. Oh, got a straight bit. The only problem arises when you meet somebody coming the other way, and let's just keep our fingers crossed that that's not going to happen. That's it, plenty of space round. Around it goes. That's it. Fabulous. Just a fabulous biking experience. Something I'd recommend everybody that loves motorcycling does at least once in their life. Hoping we'll stop and get the view in a minute. I think we have stopped there before for the view. I think we're going a bit further this time. I mean, look at that. No Armco to the left. You go over there, you're going down. And down a long way. I still see the bikes in my mirrors, everybody's still upright, which is good. And look, there's houses, people living right up here. Just stunning. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Perfectly clear day as well, not a cloud in the sky. Nobody else up here. This, guys, is the GC606. Possibly one of the most incredible experiences of a road you could possibly ride. Look at this. Both sides, look. Oh, wonder if I can get the drone up. I'll ask Martin if we've got time. If we've got time, we might fly the drone here. Do you enjoy that? Yeah, I did. It's amazing, isn't it? What a spot. What a spot. You can see the fort thing that we went round over the other side of the valley, look.
Yeah. Yeah. Lovely little house there.
Yeah. Have we got time to stick the drone up?
Oh, we've got time to stick the drone up.
That's it then.